In this video, we're going to have a look at how to give feedback on PIP1 in the Skills 4 programming course. To do so, first we're going to log on to Pebblepad, and if you've never done that before, please check out the video on how to do so, or follow the URL as it is written in this browser. Then select I have an IT account at this organization and click on Login to enter the Pebblepad environment. Then navigate to the blue globe on the top left and click on that to enter the Atlas dashboard. Then click on FPN BP SICT 4 and navigate to where it reads Submissions on the left and mouse over that to reveal a link that reads BA PSI Workbook SICT 4. Click on that to enter the workbook overview. These are all the workbooks that the students have submitted, and you will be able to read the name of each student at the bottom of each submission. Please click on FPN SICT 4 workbook to enter it. Then navigate to the gray bar at the top and click on SICT 4 assignments and then on PIPs to reveal the PIP overview. There you will notice PIP1 variables and conversions, including instructions on which feedback form we're going to use and which subcompetences we're going to include as part of this feedback. In this case, we're going to use the expert feedback form and include subcompetences 2K, 2L, and 2M. Then we can scroll down to find the button with a page and a 1 on it and click on that to reveal the submission that the student has prepared. Underneath the link that takes us to the submission, the student may have added some additional text for us to review, but it is not mandatory for them to do so. Please click on the submission to enter the assignment. Once you've finished reviewing the assignment, please notice whether the student has added any feedback that they've received during the meetings. If they haven't mentioned any feedback they've received during the meeting, please add this in your narrative feedback. Once you've finished reviewing, please click on I want to at the top in the middle and click on Add Feedback Template. This will reveal the template overview, and we're going to click on FPN Expert. This will reveal the template, and at the top we are going to add 2 bits of narrative feedback. In the first box we're going to add the feedback about what the student is doing well, and at the bottom we are going to write what the student can still improve on. Then once we finish the narrative feedback, we're going to scroll down to the subcompetences, in this case 2K, 2L, and 2M, and we're going to select the text that most closely resembles the performance of the student on this assignment. You are also free to add any additional subcompetences that you find relevant as part of the student's performance. Then we are going to scroll down to where it reads Overall Qualification Psychological Expert, and again select the text that most closely resembles the performance of the student on this assignment. Then we're going to either click on Save and Release to release the feedback to the student straight away, or click on the blue triangle next to Save and Release to save and hold, which means that the feedback will be saved but not yet released to the student. This allows us to still edit it in the background. If we've selected Save and Hold, it will read Unreleased at the top right of the feedback form. If we then still want to edit it, we can click on the 3 dots next to where it reads Unreleased and click on Edit Template. This might require us to reload the page, and if we do that and then click again on the 3 dots and again on Edit Template, we will be able to edit the template to our heart's content. Then, once we've finished our edits, we can choose to click on Save and Release, or again click on Save and Hold to hold on to the feedback until we've finished giving all of the feedback to all of the students and release it to all of them more or less at the same time at the end. If we are ready to review the next student, please click on Submissions in the tab at the very top of our browser and click on the next student to review their work and repeat the routine. These are the instructions to give feedback on PIP1 of the SICT 4 programming course. I hope they've been useful to you. Thank you.